How to transfer money to Cash App from a debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to transfer money to Cash App from a debit card. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app, where you can send, request, and manage your money. From here, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you into the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, you are in the Cash App profile section, where you can manage your account settings, personal information, and more. Under Account and Settings, look for and tap on Linked Banks. This takes you to your Accounts page, where you can see the debit card already connected to your Cash App account, along with the option to link a credit card if you need to. Go ahead and confirm your debit card is showing here, then back out to the home page. Now, tap on the Money tab, which is the $ icon found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you into the Money section of your Cash App account. On this page, you are in the Cash App Money section, where you can view your cash balance, see your Cash App card, and access options like Add Money and Withdraw. Go ahead and tap on Add Money to begin the transfer process. After tapping it, you will land on a page showing your current cash balance along with a few quick amount buttons. Here, you can either tap one of the suggested amounts, like $100 or $200, or enter a custom amount using the keypad at the bottom. Once you have typed in the amount you want to add, look below the keypad and tap Add Money from Debit Card. This tells Cash App to pull the funds directly from the debit card linked to your account, rather than from a bank transfer. Confirm the amount one more time, then tap the button to complete the transfer. Within a few seconds, Cash App will process the request and display a message confirming that the money has been added to your balance. From here, your funds are ready to use for sending, spending, or investing right inside the app. Thanks. I hope this tutorial helped you transfer money to Cash App from a debit card. That is, how to transfer money to Cash App from a debit card.